Welcome to Mrs. Joseph's last forest school activity of the Wellbeing sessions we've been doing. Today we're going to make a recyclable plant pot. So this is one I started to make earlier. So what you need is, you need a plastic bottle, you need a plant, you need some string, you need some soil to put inside the pot, and if you have a hole punch, it's very good to make the holes. Also some scissors. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we get our bottle and we're going to take off the label. Don't forget to make sure you get an adult to help you if you need with the scissors. Right, I'm going to put that to the side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut a hole. We only want the bottom bit with the lid on. That's the part we're going to keep. So you're going to go round. That's it. You're going to cut round carefully. Don't forget, ask your adult, like I said, if you need help. There we go. So that's the bit we need. This is the bottom bit here. This is going to be our plant pot. Now what we need to do is we need to make some holes in so we can hang our string. So I'm using a hole punch. Where we want to put the holes is on either side, opposite each other, and then on the either side again and opposite each other. So then we've got 4 to hang up, a bit like how I've done over here. Look, can you see we've got 4? So they're opposite each other. So you've got 2 there and then 2 there. So right, let's go. The easiest way I found of doing this is getting a hole punch and sticking a hole punch in and making a hole. Can you see that hole there? And then we do one on the other side. Doesn't matter if they're not exactly right. There we go. Make sure you push it down. That's it. And then let me have another look. There, so we've got our 4 holes. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take 4 pieces of string, about 30 centimetres. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to tie a knot. So we're going to thread it through and then tie any knot you want, probably twice I think you're going to need to do it. Just like that, that's it. So there's 1 done. I'm going to do the other one. So thread it through in the inside to the outside. That's it. There we go. And then we're going to do the last 2. Thread it through again. And tie your knots. This is the fiddly bit. I'm sure you've got someone who can help you. And then the last one, tie your knots again. And when you have done that, you can pull all of them through. So they're all hanging down. Hold your bottle up and pull them all down, and then you want to gather them up at the ends and tie a knot in the ends. Tie a knot like this. There we go. So now you can hang them up. So there we go, that's all done. That's your pot made. You can now decorate it however you want. I've decorated mine with ribbons and some glitter. So you can decorate your pot however you want. Next, what you want to do is fill with some soil. So put your soil in the pot. That's it. Keep putting it in, making sure you push it down as you go. Now what you're going to do is we're going to put it in there. We're now going to add our plant. So Mrs. Joseph's got her aloe vera plant. It's quite spiky, so she needs to be careful. She's going to pull it out of the pot and she's going to put it into her, push it down into her plant pot. Now she's going to fill up around the edges with the soil. Her plant's quite tight in this small container. Push it down. That's it. Keep pushing it all around, filling all the soil. That's it. Now with a little bit of water, you could squirt it now, give it a little bit of water, and then you can find somewhere outside to hang it. So here is Mrs. Joseph's recyclable plant pot. Don't forget to follow me on Leo Forest School.